Greetings and welcome to Yarnspirations. I'm Mary Beth Temple from Hooked for Life, and in this video we're going to take a closer look at the Velvety Filet Crochet Baby Blanket. Now, if you're new to Filet Crochet, this is a terrific way to make this beautiful soft project made in 2 balls of Bernat Baby Velvet, and also learn the basics of Filet Crochet. You're also going to need a crochet hook, size USH 8 or 5 millimeter, or size needed to obtain gauge. So click on the link below to download the free pattern. While you're down there, like this video and subscribe to the channel for fresh content weekly on knitting, crocheting, and other yarny stuff. You can also click on links to the various social media channels to see what we're up to. And if you want us to see what you're up to, please use hashtag Yarnspirations so we can check it out. Anyway, let's get started on this beautiful soft baby blanket. I'm going to make a small swatch so that it fits on camera and you can see what I'm doing. You, of course, will follow the directions and we'll chain 135. So the first row that we're going to work is the foundation row, which is the right side row. It says double crochet in 4th chain from hook, which counts as 2 double crochet and double crochet in each chain to end. So I like to work in the back or the bump of the chain when I'm putting in a foundation row because it's a little more elastic and it gives a neater edge. So let's just take a quick look at how that works. So I'm going to double crochet in the 4th chain from hook. So I'm going to yarn over to start my double. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my 4th chain from hook. I'm going to put my double in that chain. And now it says counts as 2 double crochet. So what they're saying is the chain 3 counts as a double crochet, and obviously the double crochet counts as a double crochet. So to finish the foundation row, all I'm going to do is double crochet all the way across. And again, if you are not interested in working or in the back or the bump, who's to say that you can't work in the front? However, it is a really great habit to get into, and it makes life easier for this project and for all other crochet projects. All right, so I'm going to double crochet in each chain across till I get to the end of the chain. I have finished my foundation row, and that's what I was talking about, the bottom edge looking so nice and neat and having a little elasticity to it when you work in the back bump instead of the front. So at the end of that row, I'm going to turn my work. And then it says next row, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet in each double crochet across. Now remember that chain 3 counts as a stitch, so we're not going in that very first one. The next double crochet that we make will be the next stitch over. If you want to double check that you have it right, look at the first row that you completed. You have 1, 2, 3 stitches, and now sitting on top of it you have 1, 2, 3 stitches so that you know that you're right. You don't want to increase or decrease. So I'm going to double crochet in each double crochet all the way across to the end of the row. So we're going to be beginning with a chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet in next double crochet. So remember, not the first one, the next one. Now there is an asterisk, and it says 1 double crochet in each of next 4 double crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now there's a parentheses. It says double crochet in next double crochet, chain 1, skip next double crochet, then the parentheses closes, and it says to do that twice. So we're just doing the part that's in the parentheses twice. So that's double crochet in next double crochet, chain 1, skip next double crochet, so we're going to leave that guy empty. So that was one time. Now we do that again. Double crochet in next double crochet, chain 1, skip next double crochet. So this guy's going to be empty. Now it says repeat from asterisk. So we're going back to the asterisk, which says 1 double crochet in each of next 4 double crochet. So here we are. We're leaving this guy skipped. Going to 1, 2, 3, 4, double crochet in next double crochet, chain 1, skip next double crochet twice. That's double crochet in next double crochet, chain 1, skip next double crochet. Here's the second time, double crochet in next double crochet, chain 1, skip next double crochet. So I'm near the end of my row. I have 3 left. You're going to keep repeating from the asterisk until 3 double crochet remaining. And here are my last 3. 1, 2, 3. And it says double crochet in each of the last 3 double crochet and turn. So 1, 2, 3. So this is a good time to take a look at your row, remembering your piece is going to be way bigger than mine, and take a look at it. Make sure it looks symmetrical and all of your filet spaces are evenly spaced. And then we're going to move on to the second row. So we're turning the work at the end of the first row, moving on to the second row. It says chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet in each of next 2 double crochet, 1, 2. Now we have an asterisk and a parentheses. So it says chain 1, skip next chain 1 space, double crochet in next double crochet twice, chain 1, skip the chain 1 space, double crochet in next double crochet. So that's 1 time, and here comes the second time. You can see how those little filet blocks line up right on top of the guys under them. Now it says double crochet in each of next 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and repeat from asterisk to the last 2 double crochet. So we're going to do that repeat again. So we're back to the asterisk, which again on this row is also where the parentheses start. So chain 1, skip next chain 1 space, double crochet in next double crochet twice. That's 1 time, 2 times, double crochet in next 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You, of course, will have more repeats to do. I'm at my last 2 double crochet because the instruction said repeat from asterisk to the last 2 double crochet and double crochet in each of the last 2. That's 1. Whoops, let's try that again. That's 1, 2. So this is the end of the second row, and we're about to turn the work. But I want you to take a look and see. I know a lot of people are really anxious about using stitch diagrams if they're new to them, but you can see how it looks exactly like the work does. So as we move on to the third row, we're going to change the placement of those filet blocks so that they stagger. So I'm going to take a look with you at the third row, at which point I think you got the hang of it, but let's take a look at the third row when we change that placement. Okay, turning my work at the end of the second row, and for the third row it says chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet in next double crochet. So remember, that's the next one over, not the one on the very edge, because the chain 3 replaces that stitch. Now we have our asterisk and the beginning of the parentheses. It says double crochet in next double crochet, chain 1, skip next double crochet twice. So double crochet in next double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, and then one more time, double crochet in next double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, moving on, double crochet in next double crochet in next chain 1 space twice. So double crochet in next double crochet, double crochet in next chain 1 space. So you're going to put your hook right in the hole. You don't have to go crazy about where. And we're going to do that 2 times. So that was 1. Here's the second one. Double crochet in the next double crochet, double crochet in the next chain 1 space. So we've done that 2 times. And then it says repeat from asterisk to last 3 double crochet. So let's go back to the asterisk. Double crochet in next double crochet, chain 1, skip next double crochet twice. So double crochet in next double crochet, chain 1, skip 1. Let's do that again. Double crochet in next double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, and then it's double crochet in next double crochet in next chain 1 space twice. So that's 1, 2, and you're going to repeat that. Again, you'll have many more repeats. I'm at the end of my swatch. You're going to repeat that to the last 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, double crochet in each of the last 3 double crochet and turn 1, 2, 3. So let's take a closer look at that before we turn the work. So you see how the filet blocks have staggered over to the other section. So take a look at this. And now take a look at it in the diagram. So we just finished the third row. You can see the fourth row is going to line up on top of the third row. Then you're going to see the fifth row is going to be very similar to the first row. And you're going to repeat rows 2 through 5. So after you get to the fifth row, you're going to go 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And you're going to repeat that until the work measures approximately 40 inches from the beginning. And you want to make sure that you're ending on a fourth row because you want the pattern to come out even. Then we have a next row and the next row after that written out for you. And then all you have to do is fasten off and weave in your ends and you're all set. So thank you so much for joining me here for the Velvety Filet Crochet Baby Blanket. I hope you had a wonderful time learning to filet crochet. I'm Mary Beth Temple for Hooked for Life. Please join me here on the Yarnspirations channel every week for fresh content on knitting, crocheting, and other yarny stuff. And to make sure you don't miss anything, click that button below to subscribe to the channel. While you're down there, you can also click the buttons to follow us on our various social media channels. And if you want us to see what you're working on, use hashtag Yarnspirations so we can see what you're up to. Have you ever tried filet crochet before? Let us know in the comments below. Stay well, and we look forward to seeing you again here real soon. Bye-bye.